Hi guys, and hope you're doing well. So, I have a question for you. Have you ever struggled with finding that one video file you needed? Maybe your computer is cluttered with a file name like final video version 24.mp4 and so on. Or you consistently run out of your space, run out of your storage space. And if you feel this, and I know some people definitely feel this, and if you feel this, then you are definitely not alone. And most content creators, especially YouTubers, Instagram influencers, and deal with this messy video storage, losing files, and unorganized have this unorganized workflow. But but what if I tell you there is a way you can store? I will write that down. Where you can store, manage, and track. Yeah, there is a way you can track, store, manage, and track your video file effortlessly. So what is the system? Yeah, I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna explain to you how this perfect tool like a video file notion template does help you to create, track, store, manage, and track your template easily. In this video I'll walk you through how this game changing notion template system can completely transform your some way you organize, store, and manage your content. So let's get started. Before we jump into this powerful system, let's talk about the real problem. If you are a YouTuber, filmmaker, or an Instagram influencer, then you probably relate to this. First, the video files is scattered everywhere. Some are in your desktop, some are in your external drive, some are in your Google Drive, and you can't remember where which is where. And second, your camera storage is always full. Videos take a ton of space, slowing down your workflow and making editing frustrating as real. Okay, third, you have no structured content workflow. You started a video project and forgot where the raw footage is and struggling to keep track of which been filmed, edited, or uploaded. And finally, the fourth, your past content is impossible to find. Months later, you need a imagine months later you need a clip from an old video, but have no idea where to start looking. If any of this sound slightly similar, familiar, then this template is exactly what you need. The video file manager notion template is built to solve these problems and help you stay in complete control of your video content. So here is what makes this system so powerful. First, complete video organization. Store every single video file is as a category is in a categorized and searchable format, and no more lost footage. Second, store manager. Keep track of where files are stored, like Google Drive, Dropbox, external hardware, or anywhere else. Third, content pipeline, which follows every step of your content process, like capture, filming, editing, and uploading. Third, project hub, manage your video project with clear status, so you always know what stage your videos are in. Third, editorial calendar, plan and schedule your content in a clear drag and drop calendar view. Third, quick capture, instantly add a new video idea and raw footage without cluttering your desktop. These six features is the powerful and helpful for your for creators life. This is the ultimate video management system, and I'm going to show you exactly how it works in a second. Now then, let's go through the home page. In the home page, we have a header called the dashboards, where you can see inside that where you can see all the pages after that, like the dashboard, the quick capture, the content pipeline, video library, saved, project hub, editorial calendar, storage manager areas, and archived. Let's go through each and every pages in this in here. So in first we have the dashboard. Let's go through that. And in the dashboard page, we can see the projects based on the status. And there you can see the project that's planning, editing, and the group by is called. You can see where it's in completed mode in a toggle. You can close that toggle like here. Okay. Then there is video section where you can see all the edited and uploaded videos. After that, yeah, it's simple. That's what I made it simple. Okay. After that, we have the quick capture page. So in the quick capture page, you can quick capture the videos. Like for example, I have here is I have to create a simple planner. So whenever I have created or completed a video, then I just quickly capture it here, and then I organize it later. Okay. So let's go to the home page, and let's go to, then after that we go to the content pipeline. So let's see that. So in the content pipeline, you can see the video section where you can see the captured, then filmed, editing, and uploaded. And there is also a project timeline where you can see the project you are working on in a timeline view. Okay. After that, we have the video library. This is where you can see all the recent videos you have uploaded, and all videos you have uploaded in then different views. Okay, after the uploads, you can just mark as archived, so that you have a organized uh, template. Don't have to go through scroll down and see the things. Okay. Just after completing a certain amount of projects or work videos uploaded, then just go to the archive them rather than delete them. After archiving main pros of an archive, the archive button is that when we archive a file, they directly go to the archive page, where you can see the page later if you have thought about a certain video, and then you can go through the archive page rather than go through the video files and every other files. Okay. After that, let's go to home page, and after that we have saved page. The saved page, where you can see all the video files that you saved. I mean, not the uploaded, but actually saved. So saved, or the favorite ones, you can see it here. Okay. After that, we have the project hub. Project, where you can see the project you are working on in a status phase review, and there is also a timeline, and there is also a PDF where you are working on or uploaded. Okay, so you can toggle like that. Now we are in the home page. Okay, after the project hub, let's go to the editorial calendar. This is a monthly calendar of the videos you have published. Okay, if you have published a video or a video file in 6 or oh, basically it shows you the videos in a published in a calendar view, where you can just get a visual see, like how is your uploading, see weekly upload is going, did you miss some uploads, and so on. And after that, let's go to the home page again, and let's see this next page, which is the storage manager. In the storage manager, where you can see all the videos that is recently uploaded, and we have all videos, and videos you have a file videos you added as a file, and videos and the videos that only added a link, okay, like a drive link. Okay, after that, if you have the areas, you can see all the videos in a organized view, like the tutorials based on the videos you uploaded in a tutorial, the blogs, reviews, and challenges you did. You can add more and add like selecting them like this, and copy like control plus C, and then paste it here. I don't okay, show you, paste it here, and it's like it will give you a view. Take some time for me to load. Okay, actually this is when you paste this, it will automatically create the table, and you can change that with the filters. Okay, okay, now let's go to the archive page, where you can see all the pages you have archived so far. You have areas, you have areas and video files, projects section, where you can see whenever you have achieved a page in a area section, where area page, when there it goes to here, and it's formatted and sort out in a last at time, so it will come into top. Okay, and that's it. That's the whole overview of this home page, and that's it. Hope you like this video, and if you really like, if you like this, and hey, if you think this template is helpful, then please download the template. You can see the link in the description, and also subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.